Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set up and use the new Reduce Interruptions Focus on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. As part of Apple Intelligence, the latest iteration of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS includes a new dedicated Reduce Interruptions Focus mode that is designed to display only the important notifications that need your attention while filtering out everything else. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your compatible iDevice. And then you have to tap on the Focus option. And then you have to select Reduce Interruptions option to proceed. After that, tap on People to select contacts who can break through. And then you have to tap on Apps to choose which apps can send immediate notifications. And then you have to enable Intelligent Breakthrough and Silencing for AI-based filtering. Then you have to open the Control Center on your device and then select the Focus option. And then you have to hit Reduce Interruptions to enable it. And that's pretty much it. It's worth pointing out that whenever you customize an existing focus mode or create a new one, you will now see the new toggle to turn on Intelligent Breakthrough and Silencing. This option allows important notifications to interrupt you while muting notifications that are not important. And yes, you can always override the notification settings for specific apps and people based on your preference, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy tips and tricks. Take care, bye-bye.